bills.
Oh my God, dude, are you kidding me? Hey, what's going on, guys? Demolition Crew here, and today is gonna be a different video than what you guys usually expect. Pretty much all you guys really know about us is that we break things, and that's about it. But today, I'm gonna explain more about what we do. I'm here with my dad and my dog, and what my dad actually does is he's a demolition contractor. So what that means is once he gets a building signed over to him, he's able to do whatever he wants to, and that's kind of how we're able to like go in these houses and different buildings and go crazy and destroy everything inside. Right now we're inside of this abandoned garden center, and my dog absolutely loves it in here because he can go crazy and run around, but there's not much to salvage inside here. But we did find this pop machine, and we're gonna try to break this open and see if there's any money inside there. There's probably not gonna be, but you never know.
Okay, we got a slide hammer screwed into the lock. See if we get it to pop open. Stripped it out. Have to drill it out now. Start out with a smaller one. The outer part of the lock is hardened. That's why the drill bit won't go through it. The inside was all brass. Drilled through it like butter. So we're gonna do it at temp 3. This was attempt number 3. I used the same drill bit after I broke it, and broke it again, and kept drilling on an angle to get the inside of the lock because the face was so hard. You could see how hot the drill bit got it turned a different color. Then I pried on it with a screwdriver, got it to pop. You can see it's all drilled out. The whole inside of the lock is drilled out now. So we got it to pop. We haven't opened it yet. Let's see. Still pretty hot.
I heard money in there. Oh, we're in.
Quarters on the bottom.
All right, what's it, like $1? No cash?
Full of
Hey,
drinks.
yeah, there's still drinks in here too.
Wow. See if it works, we can resell it. Feels cool. I don't know how long it takes to cool down. Just plugged in an hour already. Please schedule once a week.
So no actual money?
There's the money right here. Full to the top.
Oh, really? Oh my God.
Quarters.
Look at that.
See, where's the bills go up here somewhere.
Holy crap.
I'm gonna open this for the bills.
Oh my God, dude, are you kidding me? Holy, what the hell?
Let's see.
All right, now I'm glad I videotaped this.
Okay.
Holy crap. That is a huge stack of money. They never empty this thing out. I swear to God, we cannot make this crap up.
This is where the quarters go in this slot, nickels in this slot, dimes in this. They got colored buttons that match that. So if you push this button, this is like a changer thing. The quarter comes out, nickel.
Yeah, and they're full to the top too.
This dime went
Hey,
into
check
the
in there.
changer.
Oh, there's money in there too.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Nice.
All right, we just hit the jackpot.
I know it wasn't closed all the way. That's why it wasn't.
So you want to try to buy a drink?
Let's try it. Wait, let me
So
get
like
some money.
$1.50 or
Let me get some money.
$1.25.
We are going to try to resell this machine. That's why we drilled it out. Otherwise, we would have just ripped it open with the big backhoe. We're going to put so much time into it.
It was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
A fat stack of cash.
Okay, let's see. Let's try one of these bills.
Want to count it up later?
Yeah. A different one.
It still works. All right, give me a Mountain Dew.
Says it's vending.
Oh, sweet. It's still fresh. It's cold.
Shirley, what do you get there, huh? Try another one. Try
Sure.
orange. Sweet. Sold out.
Yeah, you can see on the top or right there it says all money removed from this machine every night, which obviously isn't true. That's why I thought there'd be no money inside there, because I saw that on there.
That one's
Sold out. Sold out.
Pepsi's the favorite, huh? Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh, you're mean.
Get it.
Now you're scared to get it. All right, do you want to count the money up?
Sure.
See, I'm gonna guess. What do you think? $50 here in
Yeah,
bills,
we just
and
put
then
bills back. You want to get the rest of the money out of it first?
sure. Jeez, that is a nice stack of cash right there.
Want to show them the drilled out lock again?
Yeah.
Which is still warm. You can see inside here, it's all drilled out. Now there's a way to replace this lock. You got to get it popped out, and then you can buy a new lock and insert it back in there. So when we sell it,
Honestly though, did you expect to find anything in here?
wasn't sure. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't.
Cause we've broken up in safes a lot and
Payphones, I find money in all the time.
a lot of change.
I wonder why it says Pepsi sold out. There's still Pepsi in there.
Those are like stuck though inside.
Let's
Like,
see if we can get it working. What about in here?
can you take that whole thing out or just the container?
It comes out.
You got it. Can you take the individual like coin slots out? We should just leave that though. I'm just gonna say there's like what, $10 and change right there. Like those are full to the top.
Yeah, but you don't want to leave it in here now, do you?
If we're gonna take the machine anyways, then
Yeah, no, but still, now it's open. Anybody comes in here.
True. Just dump it out in the little bin right there. Alright, not too bad. It's a decent chunk of change right there. I'm gonna say like 20 bucks in there because there was already a little bit of change in there before we dumped that in. So I'm gonna guess 50. What do you guess?
60.
60? So what's that?
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,
107.
107.
Jeez.
Plus all this change.
Yeah, what do you think, like 130?
Probably 20 bucks in here.
Yeah.
And I could buy myself some new drill bits. These are all the bits that I broke starting out. You start out small, then medium. These are some other ones I broke. And then the drill. This was the last bit I used. And then that outer part was real hard, so instead of using this big bit, I just kept using this smaller one and kept going in on an angle to drill out the inner parts of the lock. And that's what made it pop open, was the back part of the lock, all the brass and tumblers in there.
This is pretty sweet though. It's a good payday right there.
For sure. And we got the machine and all this pop.
Yeah, we're gonna try to resell this machine. We got a bunch of free pop in there too. I actually want to keep this and put it at our house, but my dad doesn't want to.
We don't have room, it's too big.
All right, so my phone just died, but I'm using my dad's phone to record right now, and we're trying out the free drinks we just got.
Pepsi's not bad, it's a little flat. Checking the date, it's February 26, 2018. So it's almost a year expired. This one, November 6, 2017. October 2nd, 2017. So they're still drinkable, they just might not taste as good.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap. We ended up with over $100 in bills and then this entire bucket of change. So that is not bad at all, especially only for an hour of work. It was really fun too, and I almost didn't film this because I expected there to be nothing inside there because I don't know why they would just leave all this money inside this vending machine, but I wanted to give a special thanks to my dad because if it wasn't for him having this job, I wouldn't be able to do any of this kind of stuff. It's such a unique opportunity. I really appreciate it. I'm sure you guys appreciate the videos too because like, where else on YouTube can you find someone legally breaking into a vending machine? Also, if you want to see more salvaging stuff like this where we like go into places, see what we could find and see what we could salvage, leave a comment down below and we'll definitely do more. All right, that's about it guys. See you in the next one.